Good day. My name is Mark Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a lot of clients that are facing financial difficulties right now, and so I wanted to discuss with you if you're facing loan modification, short sale, foreclosure issues on your home, or you've got construction litigation or business litigation issues. Then I wanted to talk with you about the options in filing bankruptcy and some of the distinctions about filing a Chapter 7 versus Chapter 13. So let's get started. The first distinction you need to make between a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 filing is the following. Chapter 7 is resolved in 90 to 120 days, whereas a Chapter 13 takes 3 to 5 year period. The second distinction that is important to make between the two filings is that in a Chapter 7, all of your debt is discharged to your creditors, whereas a Chapter 13 is a repayment program of a portion of the debt, whether that's 10 cents on the dollar to your creditors and 90 cents on the dollar. It's just a repayment of a portion of the debt. Now then, the third question or distinction that needs to be made between the two is that in a Chapter 7 filing, you have to qualify for that filing, meaning that your income has to be below the California median income for filing a Chapter 7. If it falls above the California median income after you include your dependents and deductions, then you're going to be relegated into the filing of a Chapter 13. And so you have to make sure that your income falls below the California median income range. And then finally, I think especially for my homeowners facing 50% decline in the equity in their home, as many of my clients here in the Inland Empire have experienced, one thing you may have come across is the concept of lien stripping your home. And so lien stripping the second from your home can only be done in a Chapter 13 filing. It is unavailable to you in a Chapter 7 filing. So if you're considering a lien stripping in order to increase the amount of equity in your home, understand that that can only be accomplished in the repayment program of a Chapter 13 or within those rubrics. You can't do that in a Chapter 7. Those are some of the distinctions to make. If you have any questions about your personal situation or want us to look over your particular circumstances, feel free to call me here at the office and make an appointment for a free consultation.